Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. So we have here the LG dishwasher. The model number is DFB325HM. So this is the model which is the technology of True Steam is having. Okay, so as you see guys, 99.9 hygiene care with 100-degree boiling water steam. So it has extra spray from the down, and it has a 4-star rating, means less consumption of energy and electricity. So this is the physical appearance guys. So normally it has a 10 years motor warranty. Inside you will see it's having 3 racks. 3 racks means one for cutlery trays, 2 for small bowls or glass, and 3 for plates, pots, and every big item that you want to put in this dishwasher. So it's having this one. So this is for the drying function of this machine. And as you notice guys, from the down part of the door inside, it's showing here 4 holes, 1 2 3 4. Okay, showing here in the middle True Steam. So from there it's giving the steam after washing all the dishwashing material.